Samsung is finally changing things after 7 generations, and there's one device that stole the spotlight. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech hub. This year, Samsung split its top-tier foldable lineup into 2 devices, the high-end Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra and the cheaper base Z Fold 8. Everyone expected the Ultra to be the best, but it's the standard Z Fold 8 that has everyone talking. By ditching the old, long and skinny look for a shorter, wider shape, Samsung accidentally hit the spot. With a passport-sized outer screen and a roomy, squarish inner display, this device acts like a smartphone and a mini tablet rolled into one. It's a total dream for binge-watching classic shows or gaming, leaving users hooked on its gorgeous screen. Sure, the Ultra model gives hardcore multitaskers a bit more room, but for everyday fun, the base model completely runs the show. The Z Fold 8 is packed with a fiery new Snapdragon chip which speeds through app switching and video editing without breaking a sweat. It sports bright displays, super fast charging, and a frame that feels insanely premium. The only downside? Samsung dropped the zoom camera from this model, which might break a few photography lovers' hearts. Low-light photos can also fall a tiny bit behind, and the phone no longer stands straight at 90 degrees for lazy tabletop viewing. Still, the base Z Fold 8 gets the same performance, charging speeds, display brightness, and general camera quality as what's available on the Ultra. But then again, the standard Z Fold 8 costs $200 less than the Ultra. And on a phone that starts at $1,900, any way to lighten the load on your wallet for your next upgrade goes a long way. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.